This is crazy, but fascinating. I can't look away. Shin Sonic. So let's start. I've seen like portraits of him, all like drawings on all fours, and then there's like a super 3D sort of version of him. So I'm going to do the 3D version of him, like a portrait looking forward. Landscape page. Use pencil, use eraser, hit pause if we go too fast. Start with his eyes. Up here, his head is kind of tilted. Diagonal, right? Go. Curve line. Like that. And then the bottom curves the other way. And then has a little spike on the end for his tear duct. Because we all know he cries. And then down here, do the same. Just the other eye on the other side. The dreaded other eye. Now he's kind of insane looking, so don't worry if they're not exactly the same. And his iris, black, but weird because it has white in the middle. Right, so it's like black on the outside. Everything's inverted, which makes him look really creepy. Right, so the black is like all around. Okay, so then the other one. And black. Right, eyelid lines. So he's got like some lines around his eyes. Kind of like bumps just following the eye shape. And then he has Sonic's nose, because he's Shin Sonic, obviously. And it looks like a balloon. Who made this? What is this like? Okay, just like that. Totally normal looking. Does he have nostrils in there? Okay, it's unclear, but I assume he has to breathe, so we give him nostrils like that. Now the creepiest part, his mouth. So that pink sort of skin, or like different color skin that Sonic has. It's like his snout. And this is kind of bumpy. Going that way, right? So you might be saying to yourself, that's crazy wide. Yes, it is. In what way is his lip? So we'll go. Oh my God. So I don't know why, but drawing stuff like this, like the creepy stuff that happens on the internet, like the memes, is kind of fun. I'm not gonna lie. The inside of his mouth, so you go again. Okay. And then there's rows and rows and rows and rows and rows of teeth. So I'll do it a bit simple. We won't like draw each individual tooth. So we'll go, well, I will, but like not as crazy as the way they do it. So we just go kind of around here. Right, and then the next level of teeth is here. Where's the other side? Up here. Right, and there's 2 more down the other end, right? So kind of in there. And it comes around. So we can see like the molars at the back on these teeth. But then, where does that go? There's another layer. Okay, so I guess, so this goes this way. Right, and then the other layer of teeth is here. Yeah, and then, okay, yeah. And then this goes this way. It's crazy. And then he has a tongue in here. So they're like the 4 sections for the teeth. But we got to draw the gums, right? And we'll do it like this, right? We'll just go. Right, sort of bumping around. Like so. And then just lines down for each tooth. Okay. What am I drawing? And then do the same here, right? So, and you know, like your middle tooth will always be there. These the next layer seems to be like a bit smaller, but we'll just bump it around like that. Right, and then boop, boop, boop. Each one is a weird tooth. And then we go again, right, another layer. And we'll do that again. So middle here. Okay, and then I'll just add all the vertical lines. So it's like the inside of his mouth as well. Right, so then each of these is a tooth. And these ones go up the way. So we'll go. Okay, what the hell? Bizarre. This whole video is just going to be me going, what is this? It's so weird. Okay, so his head then is weird as well. And it's like sonic spikes and stuff. But they're like weird. So this is like, he's got like an egg head. Oh my god, is he mixed with egghead? And then like there's like a side part of his head or something. And does he have hair? Like little weird hair sticking off? Right, so this appears to be a spike that goes down, but we got to do his arms first. So like real long arms that'll go off my page. And then like his body is like ribs. It reminds me of, is it catnap? Right, so just like bumpy down here. Each of these would be like a rib. And legs here. Just very straightforward, sort of skinny legs. Strange. And then this is a spike, like a Sonic the Hedgehog spike. And a spike here. And a spike in under here. Okay. And then I'll just add like some hairs sticking off random places. Man, I'm gonna have nightmares. It's funny, but scary at the same time. Like creepy. Okay. I'll leave it there. Shin Sonic. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.